Puerto Rico is located in the northeastern Caribbean Sea. Copper, nickel, and oil are the most important natural resources for the island of Puerto Rico. Among its main products are medicines, chemicals, electronics, and other products. There are many U.S.-owned factories. The economy is currently based on services and manufacturing. In this video, we will show you the largest current and future projects in Puerto Rico. But first, do not forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. Puerto Rico Renewable Energy. Puerto Rico has committed to meeting its electricity needs with 100% renewable energy by 2050, along with realizing interim goals of 40% by 2025, 60% by 2040, the phase-out of coal-fired generation by 2028, and a 30% improvement in energy efficiency by 2040. Puerto Rico is exploring renewable energy and other generation technologies for energy storage, distributed generation, distribution control, electric vehicles, and energy-efficient and responsive loads that can be deployed in each of Puerto Rico's cities and communities. Power flow and dynamic analysis will help system operators to understand the implications of 100% renewable electricity on system resilience, reliability, and stability in the system models of feasible scenarios. Distribution system analysis will identify the impacts of these various scenarios on distribution system reliability. Ponce Paradise. The project will be located a short distance from Ponce's Mercadita International Airport, east of the Rafael Cordero Santiago Port of the Americas. Will be a full-fledged destination within Ponce that will include a town center, a marina, a university medical center, a wellness community, an agricultural farm-to-table component, a large hotel, and a wellness community, among other. In all, the destination would total 900 acres and could mean as much as $1 billion in total investment. The new megaproject would complement a small but robust tourism offering, one that includes the Melia Century Hotel, the oldest hotel in Puerto Rico, the home of Puerto Rico's most popular rum, Don Q, and the Art Museum of Ponce, often billed as the largest art museum in all of the Caribbean. Dynamic Toll Lanes Project. San Juan de CAGUAS Corridor. This is the largest single highway project in Puerto Rico. It will provide additional vehicle capacity in one of the most congested links in Puerto Rico with AADT over 150,000 in some sections closest to San Juan. The project uses the congestion management strategy of dynamic toll lanes. Highways PR52, PR18, and PR30 are major components of the strategic highway network of San Juan Transportation Metropolitan Area. The estimated total construction cost is $200 mm. The project is divided in 7 phases, which include a phase of sound barriers and other of its technology. Investing in infrastructure projects. The Puerto Rico Aqueduct and Sewer Authority will invest $51.5 million in infrastructure projects in 9 towns. Towns where projects are planned are Arecibo, Barcelona, San Lorenzo, Caguas, Culebra, Vix, Naguabo, Hormigueros, and Mayagüez. Will benefit more than 99,000 Puerto Rican families. Will work on design and rehabilitation of the trunk of the health system in Barcelona, and rehabilitation of sanitary system pipes between Hormigueros and Mayagüez, and improvements to the Cerro Gordo system in San Lorenzo, and construction and relocation of a 12-diameter pipeline in Vix, as well as the construction of a new distribution tank in Vix for the benefit of the island municipalities, and design and construction to improve the distribution system in the Coloral sector in Arecibo, and installation of 90 linear feet of 18 and 4-diameter sanitary piping in the Rio Grande de Arecibo, and improvements to the infrastructure of the JUAN system located in the municipality of Peñuelas. Rehabilitation of bridges over Rio Hondo River. The construction method used in the project consisted in the construction of the prefabricated modules outside the area of the bridges, using the EDC technique, prefabricated bridge elements and systems. The length of both bridges is 88 meters and 16 meters wide, divided into 5 spans of 4 modules per span. That includes 2 AASHTO Type 3 beams and a section of approximately 3.53 slab. The greatest benefit of the PBES method is that it allowed not to interfere with traffic until it was ready to install modules. In your opinion, which of these projects is the best in Puerto Rico? Are there projects that we did not mention? Write it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and here we are at the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel.